Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at Bounty Hunter, which is another easy CTF on the TryHackMe platform. I've already deployed the machine and I'm going to get ready and scan for some ports for this first part. I guess I don't really need to answer anything, so I'm going to mark that as completed. But we have this here. I just went ahead and created a directory and made a notes file. I'm gonna copy some stuff over so we can get started. Sorry, I haven't been on TryHackMe in a while, so the platform's a little foreign to me. We have that, so now we can do an nmap, so sudo nmap, sv for services, sc for default scripts. We'll do t4 for semi-aggressiveness. We need to have our host itself, and let's do a fast scan for just like normal ports. Let's throw that up, get my password going, and while that's running, let's see what else we can do. Who wrote a task list? What service can you brute force with a text file found? User's password, user txt. So it doesn't look like we can do much until we know what services are going. Oh, and cool. I didn't actually output this to a file, which is annoying, so I'm gonna just copy this from here and I'm gonna sublime nmap.txt, throw that in there and save it. Cool. And let's go back to here. We have an FTP on port 21. We have SSH. We have a normal web server, which I knew because I already visited the URL when I started up the server. Closed FTP secure, closed unknown. So looks like we're going to be focusing on FTP and SSH with maybe a little bit of HTTP. Let's go ahead and check if this FTP, anonymous FTP login allowed. So we can go ahead and, what is it? FTP anonymous at the host name. Just throw that there. Let's see if we can get in, and we did. Let's see if we can ls. Looks like it's kind of hanging. SLA. Come on. Are you gonna give me anything? Where am I at? Remote directory. Okay. ls. Passive mode off. Set passive on. Wait, it's working? That doesn't make any sense. ls just works now. Yeah, it's something to do with like the ls command. So if I type like dir, let's see what else we could type. More. Yeah, I feel like there's just something weird with this whole box, because ls works sometimes and doesn't work the other time. Okay, but anyway, we can see we have task.txt and locks.txt, and it looks like FTP is the user that created this, and that was the name of this question. Who wrote the task list? FTP. Oh, did not. So it's not who owns it. I guess maybe the content. So if we get task.txt, I'm not sure if this works, but I think you can do bang sublime. Bang makes it so you can call local commands, like commands on your machine. So if I do sublime and then task.txt, and that worked. Cool. Lin, protect LAN. So Lin is actually the person here. Cool. What service can you brute force with a text file found? So we have the other service is SSH, so I'm guessing we can SSH that. And then what's the user's password? So it looks like we're gonna have to write a little lin potential user is lin Hydra. Oh, I haven't written this in a while. I'm gonna open my cheat sheet real quick. Hydra. Where you at? Here we go. We don't need any of that. I think that should be good. So I copy and throw this here. All right, so we have our list here that we're comparing against. We're doing this username short list. We actually don't want to because we have our usernames. We're gonna replace with Lynn, and then we're gonna use our common passwords, and then we have our hosts here, and then this should be SSH. I believe that should just kind of work out of the box. Let's get out of FTP. Should we get that locks.txt also? Maybe. Let's get that real quick. So how was I making it? Oh, we don't need to do that because get locks.txt. Double locks.txt. Come on. There we go. Cool. Locks.txt. Are these passwords? Red Dragon. These might be passwords. We're gonna take these. These are in our Bounty Hunter directory. So I'm gonna actually do, I'll copy this for if this doesn't work. So we'll do this. And then it's in our current directory, so we can just do locks.txt. So take this, get out of FTP, we have everything we need. Throw this in here. And yeah, here we go. Login Lynn, password Red Dragon Syndicate. Throw this there. I can get rid of these. Jump back into here. What is the user's password? Oh, that's not it. It's not R. Is this? Cool. User.txt. So it looks like we might need to SSH in now. So I'm gonna run SSH at Lynn at this host. Boom. We can take our password. Yes, we want to remember. Yeah, and we're in. Okay, I was confused because this was lit up. It's like a full shell. I didn't expect a full shell. ls cat user.txt. Nice. That was an easy flag. We might not even have to do anything web related. We have that. Yeah, and we only have one more password, which is root. Okay. So let's see. Sudo tac-l. Is there anything we can run? Get our password for Lynn. Looks like we can run bin tar as root. Bin tar bin bash sudo. How do you use this? Usage tar. A tar is like a compression, right? Man tar archiving utility. So can we just like sudo tar like cds temp touch a.text, and then we do sudo tar a.text tar texc, refusing to write archive contents to terminal, missing f. You really gonna make me see how to use tar? Tar flags tech g file tech f archive. G you must specify one of the ACD trucks. A. Where's A? Why doesn't it have A at the top of the list? We're just gonna do tech A or whatever. Where am I? Still in. File A. That's data. That's cool. So we did sudo tar. I thought that would set my UID to the root user, but it didn't. Maybe I have to specify bin tar. Where am I? CD root. Okay. Escalate sudo bin tar. Break down restricted environment, spawning in an interactive shell. Oh yeah, we need to use this to make a shell. I don't know what version of tar this is, but where am I? Lin. Oh, because I didn't run sudo. There we go. We're root now. Okay. So what we had to do was tar xf somehow dev null. Somehow this runs this command. We're opening a shell and doing some stuff. I'm not exactly sure how all that is working. Binary is allowed to run as a super user by sudo. Does not drop the elevated privileges. It may be used to access the file system, escalate, or maintain privilege access. Yeah, so this is definitely the right way to do it. I'm just not exactly sure what each of these do. I used this one. I think X is for extract. So it looks like we're extracting nothing. And then we're tacking I, which is an instruction maybe? Let's open a new tab in mantar. F is the file. Okay, so the file we're passing is the dev null. Right, the file we're passing is this. Whoops, is this. So the capital I, what is that for? Lowercase is ignore. Use compress program. Oh, so it's using a program. Okay, let's throw this into here so I can kind of break it down. So X is extract, F is the file itself. So this is the file, it's nothing. Tac I looks like you can pass a command into it. And the command we're passing is bin sh, which then also calls this command sh. And I don't remember what these do. I'm not gonna look them up. You guys can look them up. But yeah, basically we're calling sh. I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna try it without that and see what happens. But first, let's jump back into our box because we don't even have our flag. Cat root root.txt. Cool. Let's get this into here. Sweet. We completed that. Yeah, so this was just a quick, easy box. Helped me get kind of back into the swing of touching boxes. I've been doing the CPTS on Hack the Box. So been working through all those modules, and they're very in depth, and I haven't really touched many actual machines or done any hands-on stuff besides the modules themselves. So this is, yeah, something I wanted to get back into. I'm gonna try to push myself to do at least 3 of these a week, hopefully 1 a day or even multiple a day, but I'm pretty busy. And yeah, I'll get them out whenever I can. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.